Okay, you guys are waiting for day 2? Wait. I'm Ananya. Welcome to Novira Designs. I did this beautiful flower bouquet just from the pipe cleaner. So, I won't waste your time. Let me show you. Let's start with the flowers, the star of this bouquet. So, I take one baby blue pipe cleaner and I fold it into a petal shape like this, bringing both ends together and twisting them at the bottom to secure. One petal is done. Now I make 4 more petals the same because each flower needs 5 petals. Now I bring all 5 petals together at the center, arranging them evenly like a real flower, and twist all the ends together tightly at the bottom. Look how beautiful this is already. Now the most special part, the center. I take my white pearl beads and arrange them in the cluster in the center of the flower, securing them with a small piece of pipe cleaner. This pearl center makes the flower look like elegant and realistic. I'm adding leaves to the flower to look more prettier. I'm adding leaves, flowers, everything together. And there we have it, a complete handmade pipe clean flower bouquet that looks absolute real. I cannot believe I made this from just a pipe cleaner. This would make the most beautiful gift for a birthday, anniversary, for a friend. And the best part, these flowers last forever. That's it for today. Wait for day 3. It's going to be more amazing and more beautiful. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for